So hey folks, today I'm going to share a few household repairs that I've made using Fusion 360 to create a design and then 3D printing the parts. And I have three to share with you today. The first one is very simple. The second one will be just a little bit more complex, and then the last one a little bit more complicated than that. And of course I'm going to be curious to hear about the items that you've repaired in your households. All right then, let's go. So here we are in my kitchen, and we use this side door all year round. In the winter time, snow comes in, melts, creates humidity, and ends up wrecking the molding that we've got here. This used to be MDF, and the moisture would get into it and it would swell and expand, and I was replacing it almost yearly. So I ended up drawing up two rectangles. You can't get much simpler than that in Fusion 360. Drawing up two rectangles, a couple of little chamfers, a little fillet radius in there, glued the two pieces together, painted it, stuck it on with no more nails, and this has now been here for a couple of years. All right, so that was the first simple item. Let's go to the next item. Come on, let's go. All right, so now here we are in the bathroom. So the holder for the shower head here broke years ago, and rather than taking this all off and throwing it all away, I ended up creating a just slightly more complex design, again using Fusion 360, and drew up this part, 3D printed it, and managed to salvage the whole kit. I'd be curious to hear what you guys think about this, because honestly, I really like it. It's simple, it saved me money, and kept me from throwing more garbage into the landfill. But I still have one more item to share with you, so come on, let's go look at that. Okay, so now here we are. We're at my wife's wine rack, and what's more important than having a motorized corkscrew for removing the corks out of the bottles of wine? Okay, so this used to be a rocker switch that had two very small pins for being able to activate the motor, for being able to pull the cork from the bottle. And if I tried to remodel the switch the way it was with the teeny tiny little pins, it wouldn't have lasted. It would have just broken again. So instead, I created a new design where I created the body around the perimeter, and there's two pins on either end that allowed me to snap this in place. But I ended up designing two buttons that I put into the red piece first before I snapped it into the body of the motorized corkscrew. So you can see that it works very well. I managed to salvage this rather than throwing it away and adding to the landfill. That's the last item that I have to share for today. I have lots of other items around the house where I have designed in Fusion 360 and 3D printed and repaired items. But I'd love to hear about some of the items that you want to design for repairing household items, or items that you have already designed and repaired items. Please go ahead and share them with me in the comments, and if there's anything that I can do to help out, just let me know. Thanks for watching.